Yeah, but they've been on there for 10 years. Like, literally, they're just for tickets.
Okay.
That's all they are.
Well, here's the thing, though. Are you aware of what they're doing now? So now that I've advised you, they're all supposed to put a check mark on them or whatever. So the next time somebody checks out with you, guess what? There's a good chance you might go to jail for them. So you might want to start getting a hold of them counties and take care of it.
Yeah, you got to get a hold of them now, they say. They used to just put warrants out, but they said if you get a hold of them and you can't pay it, they'll work with you and not put one out. But
see, this is what we don't.
Come on, son.
Hey.
You're supposed to be in there, son. Come on. You can't pay in there. That's not ours, okay? We'll go home and pay.
All right, so listen, you guys, we don't mind you getting out and walking around, but when the police officers ask you who you are, you better tell them, okay?
Come on, let's go.
Mr. Sexton eventually obtained body camera footage of the encounter, and he created a TikTok account to share the video. It went viral, resulting in an influx of complaints from local residents and social media activists alike. And local residents organized meetings to address their grievances, including a demand for the replacement of the city manager, leading to the resignation of both the mayor and vice mayor. When law enforcement labels a citizen as quote-unquote suspicious solely because they asserted their right not to identify themselves, it undermines the very freedoms that the Constitution seeks to protect. This mindset encourages officers to operate from a presumption of guilt rather than innocence, and penalizes citizens who are knowledgeable about their rights. Based purely on this interaction alone, I find it incredibly troubling that Officer Goodwin was reinstated after such an egregious display of ignorance, incompetence, and unprofessionalism. Mr. Sexton gets an A+. Because although he may have benefited from less talking, he remained relatively calm and collected throughout the encounter, politely refused to surrender his ID, and followed up this interaction by acquiring the body cam footage and finding legal representation. For most citizens, being arrested in front of your child during your routine morning walk would evoke a strong emotional response, but Mr. Sexton remained extremely calm considering the circumstances. Mr. Sexton voiced his dissent without becoming enraged or vulgar, and although he did briefly step away from Officer Goodwin, he ultimately complied with the officers without physically resisting. Mr. Sexton also took it upon himself to request the body cam footage after the incident and filed a formal complaint that led to Officer Goodwin's initial termination and the resignation of other city leaders. While it is unfortunate that Officer Goodwin was able to get his job back, Mr. Sexton now has an attorney and intends to file a lawsuit. I commend Mr.